Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we'll talk about Polkasata V2 complete guide. In this video I'll show you the step-by-step process how you can participate in the Polkasata V2 IDOs, and with that too with a live demo. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like target is 200 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video guys. So first thing, there are three simple steps in which you can participate in the Polkasata V2 IDOs. So I'll explain you step-by-step guide now. So first step is you need to have some, you need to get some Polls power. So Polls power is nothing but whenever you're there are three ways where you can earn this Polls power. So first way is by holding Polls token in your wallet for 7 days period. So for every one Poll token you hold in your wallet for 7 days, you will be receiving 1 Polls power. So which means 1000 Polls, if you are holding for 1 week, you will be receiving 1000 Polls power. And then second way is through providing the liquidity in Uniswap and PancakeSwap and holding those LP tokens for 7 days. And finally third way is by staking Polls on the Polkasata V2 dashboard. So Polkasata recently has released its dashboard where you can do the Polkasata staking and then you can participate in the token sale. So in this, if you're staking your tokens, immediately you will be getting the Polls power, but your tokens will be locked for the 7 days period. Now another important thing, there is this cooldown period will be token Polls power will be counted both on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. So now that is the first step, you need to get some Polls power. So now after getting the Polls power, you can identify the Polls type structure. This is a type structure which will be used for calculating the allocation. So for every 250 Polls power with you in your wallet, so you'll be receiving 1 lottery ticket. So more the tickets you have, more chances of winning the allocation. So for every 250 Polls you'll get 1 lottery ticket. So and then they have the 5 different type structure. So up to 250 if you're holding, you will be getting 1 ticket and there is no booster. And if you're having 1000 plus Polls power in your wallet, then you will be getting 1.1x booster, which means for every ticket is counted as 1.1 ticket, which means your chances of winning is increasing a little bit. So same way you have up to 3000, then 10,000 and 30,000. So here the Polls you're holding, your winning chances are also increasing. So now I'll show the dashboard how you can check your Polls power and where you can stake them. So all you need to do is just need to go to Polkasata website, just connect your wallet and head over to the dashboard option. So in the dashboard on the left side, you can see your Polls power with you. So here you can see I have some 4300 Polls power in wallet, which means I'm holding those tokens for 7 days. So on the right side, you have the staking page. On the bottom, you can see the total token staked is 0. On the right side, you have the stake and unstake options. So if you scroll a little bit, you have additional options in the bottom. So here you can see wherever whichever projects you have applied, you can see the whitelisting criteria. If you are whitelisted or unlucky, everything can be seen here. On the right side, you can see the Polls type structure and the winning chances. So for my staking, so if for me the winning chances are around 32%. So that is one good thing. So here you can see if you are having 250 Polls power, you will be able to have a chance of 8% in the winning of the lottery. So now I'll show you how you can do the staking. On the right side, you can see the amount of tokens you have in the wallet. Just click on max or enter the amount and then click on authorize Polls. Then you get a MetaMask pop-up. Just do the gas fees and complete the transaction. So this is the first step. So then now you have approved the Polls to spend your tokens. And another important, these tokens once you staked, they'll be locked for 7 days. You cannot unstake before that. And now second step is you have to stake them. So just click on stake. Once the approval is done, you will get another MetaMask pop-up. Just confirm the transaction and within few seconds your Polls tokens will be added into the pool. So now here you can see within few seconds my Polls are staked, and you can see I got some 2100 Polls in the staking pool. But my Polls power didn't increase, and if you go to unstake also, there is no option to unstake because I have to wait for 7 days. Now the Polls power update usually happens once in a day. So here you can see updates every day and you will see some certain point of time. So that is the first step. So now coming to the second step, you have to find a project and you have to apply to the whitelisting process. So it's very simple. You have to head over to Polkasata page. If you find any Polkasata IDO available, you can apply for them. Or easiest way is you can follow my Telegram channel. I'll be posting all the whitelisting forms and updates in my Telegram channel time to time. So you can join through the link in the description below. So now I'll show you how you can apply for the whitelisting form. Whitelisting is nothing but just filling the form and showing your interest. So just go to the Polkastarter homepage. On the bottom, if you scroll down, you can see the upcoming projects. So there are 3 types of status in whitelisting. One is a whitelisting closed, another is whitelist open, and final one is whitelist soon. So wherever whitelist open is there, you can click them and you can submit your form. So just click on this Mithivi process, and on the top you can see the whitelisting closes on November 10th. You can see the dates and you can see the whitelisting now button. So just click on whitelist now button. You will see this page. All you do is just need to fill your details, valid where you have the polls power, and then you have to follow their Telegram and Twitter handles. So it's very simple. So after you do all those things, you have to submit some few questions and answers about the project. All these questions and answers will be available in my Telegram channel. So after that, you can just click on submit your application. And once you do that, you can see that your form is successfully submitted. So now the second step is completed. You have submitted the form. Here on the dashboard also you can see you have applied for this sale successfully. So now that is the second step. So now final step is the third step, in which you have to submit your KYC and participate in the IDO. So in case if you are lucky enough and if you are getting selected in the Polkastarter IDO, you will receive a similar email from the project for the KYC process. So here you can see I have selected for I got a message, congratulations, your Polkastarter whitelisted in LFW project. So after that you have to complete the KYC. So KYC is nothing but know your customer norms, in which you have to submit your ID proof, address proof, and your photograph to the project. So they will validate your locality and stuff, and that is the first step, KYC. So once you complete the KYC, your name will be in the final whitelisting participants. Now here you can see next step is the participation in the IDO itself. So all you do is on the IDO date, you have to head over to the Polkastarter page. On the top you can see in the project page, you can see your wallet is whitelisted and you can join the token sale. So that means your wallet is successfully whitelisted, and here you can see the timer in the below. So once that timer hits 0, your page will be refreshed automatically and you will see a join sale button. So just click on the join sale. Sometimes that page may not load, you just need to refresh that. So after that you will get a disclaimer. Just click on agree the terms, and now you have the swap page. You just need to click on max. On the top also you can see if your wallet is whitelisted or not. Just click on max and join pool, and once you do that, you'll get a MetaMask pop-up. Just click on confirm and your transaction will be successful. So if you're fast enough, you will be getting this congratulations message. So there is another important upgrade from version 1 to version 2. So in version 1, once you're selected in the IDO or once you join the pool, you'll be getting a Deadpool GIF image. So but now the Z pool is not there anymore, so you'll be getting this congratulations crackle effect. So that means you're all done. So now you are into the IDO. So to see the IDO and to claim the IDO, you have to click on see your allocation, or you can go to the allocation tab. Here you can see I got my LFW IDO allocation, available tokens for claim and total allocation, and I can see the vesting schedule by clicking the vesting tab, and I can click on claim tokens and confirm the MetaMask transaction to claim these tokens into my wallet. So there will be certain 1 or 2 hours cooling period after the IDO, so where you can claim the tokens. So now you can see I have successfully claimed the tokens, and now I can successfully see them in my wallet, and I can sell them and book my profit. So this is how simple it is, how you can participate in the Polkastarter V2. Once you refresh page, you can see now it is in vesting stage, and the next tokens will be released on as per the vesting schedule. And now final stage is the cooldown period. So whenever you are selected into any IDO, there will be cooldown period of 7 days in your wallet. So which means you cannot participate in any other IDOs till 7 days. And another important thing, in case if you are whitelisted and if you are not joined the token sale, then there won't be any cooling period. This cooling period is applicable to the wallets only which have successfully joined the token sale. So that is another important thing which you should keep in mind. So to check the cooling period and till then you can go to your dashboard. Here you can see your wallet is currently on cooldown till November 5th. So only after that I'll be able to join any more IDOs. So now that's all guys, that is all about today's video about Polkastarter V2, how you can participate with the live step-by-step process. So if you like the video, if you like such guides and tutorials, you can subscribe to the channel and click the like button. If you want any other IDO platform tutorials with live demo, leave that feedback in the comment section below. I'll try to make those videos as well. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.